In Creo 11, now you can use some lattice export options in part mode, which previously were only available in the tray assembly. For formula-based lattices, an option to blend the formula-based lattices with the shell and add smooth transitions between such cells and the shell. This is similar as a rounding mechanism. It's available for STL and 3MF. Now, if we see importing back the export, that selected object, we can see here that we have only one object instead of two, instead the shell and the lattice, and it's rounded. Now, for beam-based lattices, now you can add a penetration value between the simplified beams that are touching the shell and the shell itself. Also, there is an option to add a semisphere in the tip of such penetrating beams. Again, available for STL and 3MF exports. This will give all users additional flexibility while preparing parts for additive manufacturing.